Hello my friends! Today we are going to open up a brand new Easter chocolate, at least new to me. I've never seen it before. It is the Hershey's Cookies and Cream Easter Chocolate Egg. So as I mentioned, I just happened to see this at the store the other day and I thought maybe you guys will like it. So let's open it up. So, cookies and cream. The regular chocolate bar made by Hershey's is white chocolate with some pieces of cookie in it. So we can see it's a little speckled. It's kind of neat looking. Has a bit of a swirl here at the top if you can see it. But what does it look like on the inside? Ooh, there's a little hole in this one. I don't know if it's actually gooey. So let's take a look and see. Okay, so we've got our egg right here. Let's get our knife and cut it up. I'm gonna cut it on the side. I gotta be careful. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Let me get the focus going here so you can see it clearly. Let's see, is this good? Yeah, this looks pretty good. So we can see that there's something in the inside, but it's not really gooey per se, which actually might make it a bit easier to handle than, Cadbury Creme Eggs, because it just like runs all over the place. But it is soft, as you can see. It's kind of like spongy. Make sure I get the focus good. See? It's kind of spongy. I'm gonna give it a taste. Okay. So it doesn't taste bad. Let me finish eating. If I'm being completely honest, I'm not typically a fan of the gooiness, but I think I like this one better than the traditional Cadbury Creme Egg. Again, it's not as gooey, so it's not gonna run. Oh, it's getting a little melty though, but that's okay. So I just wanted to open this up, show it to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Easter, and I hope to have some new videos for you very soon. Take care.